perfect time to send emails out to your list. Do not listen to anybody else when they tell you that this window is the best time. I know that's ironic because here's literally a video of me telling you the best time to send an email. When it comes down to it, it's all dependent on your list. It's all dependent on who they are, what their daily routine is, and what their buying behaviors are. I'll give you an example. Let's say on your list is moms with young kids. They're not going to check their email first thing in the morning. They're too busy getting little Timmy and Sarah ready for school. So they'll probably be checking their email right after they drop them off or before that they pick them up in the afternoon. Or let's say your list is full of people that are in finance, that work a traditional 9 to 5. Most likely they're going to be at their computer between the hours of 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. So then that's the best time to email them. So you see, it all comes down to knowing who your person is, how they're spending their days, and then that will tell you the best time to email them.